with confusion, one man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. Before we get started in today, I'd like to remind you to press that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so that you don't miss out on any of the series that we're doing this month on moderating. And also, up in the corner, you'll see a dot. If you click on that, you'll be able to get the playlist. That playlist includes everything we've done so far and everything that we'll be doing through the end of the month. So let's get started on today's lesson. Today we're going to talk about how to make a moderator in Facebook. There's really only one way to do that in Facebook, so let's jump right in now and we'll take a look at how to make a moderator. To make somebody a moderator in the Facebook group, they must be a member of the group already. So they've either had to join the group and you've accepted them, or you've sent them an invitation to join the group and they've accepted that. Once they've joined the group, you can go over to your members section in the Facebook group and you'll scroll down the list till you find the person that you want to make a moderator. So today we're going to make Elaine a moderator. So over to the right of Elaine, you'll see 3 dots. Once we click on those 3 dots, we'll get a pop-up list. Down at the bottom of the pop-up list, you'll see an item that says Add as Moderator. Once we click that, we'll get a notification that's letting us know that we are about to invite Elaine to be a moderator. And then Elaine will get a notice and she has to accept it. So once we click Send Invite, the next time Elaine goes into her Facebook, she will get this notice saying that she has been invited to be a moderator of this group. As you can also notice here, we now have a section that says Invited Admins and Moderators. This shows us that Elaine has an invite from us to become a moderator, but she hasn't accepted it yet. Once Elaine accepts the invitation to become a moderator, this status on our side will change and it will show her in our membership list that she is now a moderator of the group. I hope that was helpful to you. And as always, if you have any further questions or there's something you'd like me to clarify, please list it in the comments below and we'll cover it in one of the upcoming episodes. With that, have a great time and we'll see you tomorrow.